Okay, you can see how it is being done. We're about to cover the cocoyam with sand so that during rainy season, once the water touch ground, it will start growing. So then I will say that this is the nursery bed. So once it starts to grow, then it will be transplanted to other areas like here, over here, because by then these places will be recultivated. You get? So all these ridges, day before yesterday, the yams that was planted there were all harvested. You get? So we are on it. Tall fish at the farm, running it full time.